want this bitch?
I'm just a regular, everyday, normal motherfucker. I told you in the first song, I'll tell you in another.
Пацаны, не пухло.
Не надо ехать.
Ебать.
I was walking down the street just the other day. I saw these two fine bitches, they were walking my way. Yo, what you girls doing tonight is what I wanted to say.